Hey guys, this is Tushar from Gossipfunda, and in this video we are going to see how to copy and paste in Android. First, we are going to see how to copy simple text from clipboard and paste in Google search bar. Open the application wherever you want to copy from. In my case, we are going to copy from notes. Tap and hold on the text. You can also choose to select all. Once done, tap on copy. Now open your target application, tap and hold. Wait for paste to appear, then tap on paste. Open the document in question, hold on the text and tap on copy. Once done, go to new document and hold. Wait for paste to appear. Note that you can choose to either paste only text or text with format. For copying email, just follow the simple steps as shown. This was for today's guys, and if you have any query, feel free to put in the comment section below, and do like, share and subscribe our channel. Check out our Gossipfunda page for such interesting articles and more DIY for you to try.